Hey, what's happening? It's Michael Margolis here, Dean of Story University. And I am so excited to be presenting at Blog World this coming, really in the next couple weeks here on May 24th. I've got a session at 3:30. It's called The New About Me. And it teaches you how to reinvent your bio as a story. So if you're a blogger or you're an entrepreneur, you've got a web presence, you often forget that your About page is the number one page that people visit after the home page. So all of your social media breadcrumbs, right, the stuff you're tweeting about, stuff on your Facebook page, stuff that might be on LinkedIn, they all track back to the About page. And it's the About profile for how people decide whether they resonate with who you are, if people want to be in relationship with you. So I've got a whole process that I'm going to be teaching, and I'll share with you guys actually a couple things that you can immediately put into practice, even right now, which is, when you think about your own bio, okay, what's really important is you're helping people to locate themselves in your story. Like, that's what you're trying to do. Okay, so part of that process is people want to know, like, where you come from, what makes you tick, what are your motivations. One of the concepts that I teach with this is called superhero origins. Okay, it's a really cool concept. Think of like your favorite superhero, Batman, Wonder Woman, Superman. They all have an epic origin backstory for how they came into their powers. And we usually forget about this, which is there are very few superheroes that are born as superheroes. Instead, you are made a superhero based on circumstances and the choices that you make in the face of circumstances, right? It's like there's a setup to your own story. There's things that happen to you, whether it was as a kid or later early in your career, right? In storytelling terms, it's the inciting incident. So I'm going to be teaching you guys in this session. If you go check this out, come to Blog World, come to my session. It's going to be a blast, and you'll be able to actually think about your own journey, the path that you've been on, what you've learned and figured out the hard way, and then letting people know what you're now out there to teach. If you're an expert, if you are a thought leader, or if this is part of your aspiration, you want to be more seen, heard, and recognized for what you're all about. You have to tell your story. Okay, so you want to tell people about your own journey, what you figured out the hard way, what you struggled to uncover, and that now you want to share with others so that they don't have to struggle the same way you did. Now, you might be like, well, dude, I'm still trying to figure this out myself. I don't feel like I've arrived somewhere. That's okay. See, part of this is letting people know what you're obsessed about. What's the riddle you're trying to solve? And inviting people to even come along that journey with you. That's how I am with storytelling. For the last decade, I've been obsessed with storytelling. And how do you take any idea, something that might be new and different, and translate it into cultural reality? I've built a whole DIY transmedia platform, a hub globally for the business of storytelling. You can check it out at getstoried.com. I host the Reinvention Summit, which is a virtual conference. I've got a story manifesto. Like, I just geek out on this stuff. All right, and in my own backstory, which I'll be sharing a lot more in the session, my dad's an inventor, my mom's a teacher and artist. I started as a social entrepreneur, and I've struggled throughout much of my life feeling lost in translation. So this is what brought me into this work, and I believe there's a new way we can approach personal branding, minus all the icky stuff, minus all of the sort of thumping of our chest and telling people how important we are and we're such a big deal. It actually is counterintuitive to the relationship economy. All right, so hopefully you're intrigued about this stuff. Come to the session at Blog World. I promise you will be blown away by the actionable things that you can do for reinventing your bio and getting people to connect to your natural authority. If you're also interested, check out thenewaboutme.com. There's a link there for free bonuses. You can actually download a 7-step formula for reinventing your bio. So check the stuff out. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm at GetStoried. Would love to connect with you, and I can't wait to see you at Blog World.